I've been preheating the oven at 350 degrees for a little while now. I'm having it a little bit lower temperature because the challah has a heavy filling in it and it's going to take a little longer to bake. So I'll put the timer on for 15 minutes and then we'll come and check it and do another egg wash. So the first 15 minutes is up. You know, I might have gotten a higher oven spring if I would have remembered to double pan it after the first 15 minutes, but it's too late now. Keep that in mind though, if you're going to double pan it, it's better to double pan it after the first 10 or 15 minutes of the bake. Then you get the more intense heat on the bottom. But you know, we can't remember everything. We all make mistakes. Really looking lovely. Lovely, lovely looking challah. So I'm going to add some sanding sugar to the top. Some of it's dried too quickly. You can also add this before baking. And I kind of like to do it halfway through. So I'm going to turn this around and we'll bake it for another 15 to 20 minutes. Come back and check on it and check the temperature. It's been another 10 minutes. I've had the dessert challah in, and so it's been a total of 25 minutes. I'm checking on it to make sure it's not getting too dark. It's looking absolutely beautiful. It doesn't look like it's getting too dark yet, but I think I'm going to go ahead and tent it gently so that it doesn't get too dark on the top. So I'm going to put it back in and it'll probably bake for another 10 minutes at least. Okay, our dessert challah's been in about 35 minutes now. So let's check on it. It's looking really beautiful. Going to do a temperature check, but with all that candy in there, it's going to be very difficult to tell whether it's done or not. It doesn't appear to be done. So I'll be checking it every 5 minutes from here on out just to make sure it's not overdone. You don't want to overdo a challah because then they'll get dry. Okay, it's been 40 minutes since we started baking our dessert challah. So let's go ahead and check on it and see how it's doing. I'm going to watch it really carefully at the end of the bake here so that it doesn't overbake. We've got quite a beautiful challah here. Okay, it's in the 180s. I'm not comfortable that it's done yet, so we'll check on it in another 5 minutes. Okay, our dessert challah's been in for 45 minutes now, so let's check on it again. I can see some nice stuff oozing out here. Okay, it's over 190 already, so it's done. We've got a beautiful, beautifully colored challah, and it's finished and it's not over browned. It looks really beautiful. That's going to make a great dessert challah. Now this really needs to cool off because of the hot sugar and the hot candy inside. Here's our beautiful dessert challah. Can't wait till that's cooled and sliced.